Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the in-display fingerprint scanner unlock speed test from the Realme X7 Max versus Oneplus Nord device. So which phone has got what type of in-display fingerprint scanner and how much faster the phone can actually unlock them. That is what I'm going to exactly compare between both of the smartphones. So before actually doing the speed test, let's see what are the default settings you are actually getting in both phones in terms of the animations or in terms of the options. That's what I'm going to exactly show you right now in this video. So first let me just show the Realme X7 Max options. What are the options you can actually find in the Realme X7 Max? So here you can actually find the fingerprint animations. So in the Realme X7 Max, you do get up to 8 fingerprint animations. Let's check how many animations we can actually get in the Oneplus Nord 2. Is a biometric and is a fingerprint. And in the Oneplus Nord 2, you do have the, yes, absolutely, I think 8 animations in the Oneplus Nord 2 as well. As you can see, 8. Let's see any animations is same or not. I think the last animation is nothing. Maybe only 7 animations you are having. Last is none. I think there is nothing kind of similar I can find at this moment. Everything is different, as you can see. Comparing between both animations, that's kind of good. And next, in the Realme X7 Max, you can have the option to use the fingerprint for the screen lock, app lock, and private safe. So you don't get that kind of options. I think yeah, you get app lock, but not the private safe. As you can see, same kind of options you can actually find between both UIs. And there is another special feature which is called the screen of unlock. So show fingerprint scanner even when the complete lock, the phone is completely locked. That is another option which you can actually have it. And right now let me try to do the same kind of speed test. Let's see which phone will be able to unlock faster. I think the screen loop should be on during this process of unlocking in the Oneplus Nord 2. Let me try to start the test now. Let me know in the comment section below, friends, which phone you felt the speed in terms of the unlocking. And you do get the haptic feedback. Whenever you unlock the device, you can actually feel the haptic feedback as well. In both phones, yes, you are getting the haptic feedback, no issues. Let me try to do it again. As you can see, friends, I think I'll try to select the animations. Let me try to select the animations in this Oneplus Nord 2 as well, because the Realme X7 Max has got the animation. I forgot to select the animation, I think, in the Oneplus Nord 2. Yes, I forgot to select. Let me just select the animation. Maybe this should be fine, kind of fine. Yes, I'll select. So now let's see. Both phones are having the animations, and let's see which phone will be having what kind of results. I think both phones are kind of close to each other in terms of the unlocking. That is what I did feel. Let's see. Slightly the Realme X7 Max, I think so, a little bit kind of unlocking faster. But you can actually watch this video in the slow motion as well. So as you can see, friends, I think both phones are kind of slightly close to each other right now, and I did feel the Realme X7 Max slightly maybe unlocking a little bit faster, I think so, but not much, just a little bit maybe. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, and definitely I'll try to do the tomorrow maybe epic battery draining test as soon as possible for you all. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and signing off. Bye.